Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the CapCut filter to make your food photos look appetizing. So if you have a food photos like this, and you want to make it as a video collection, for example, collection of food, you can use this CapCut filter to make it looks delicious. So here, just add your photo and go to filter and find the food category. This one, click on food, and then here there are lots of options that you can use. Let's try this tasty filter: bake, gourmet, western. So just select the one that you like or that's right for your photos. There's this appetite. Okay, I think I like this tasty filter. Adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with 100. Click on the check icon and make sure that it applied through the entire photos. So that's a tip from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.